the channel Wellsathi. Today we will be seeing how to register your clinic on Wellsathi. So let's proceed. Search Wellsathi on Google. Click on the first link. Now click on Register Clinic on the header. Here you can continue either with Google or your own email address. Here I will be continuing with the Google. After selecting your account, you will redirect to this page. Write the clinic name here. I will be writing XYZ Clinic and select location on the map. Try selecting exact location on the map. City full address will be auto captured by the map pinned address. If you want to change here, you can click here and change it. Proceed with the clinic photos. Upload at least one photo. You can upload up to maximum 5 photos here. Then click on continue button. Here you can select your default consultation fee, which will be showing on your clinic listing. Select the doctor name here, type doctor names, the specialization, the experience, and the fee. If you want to add additional doctor, click on the add doctor button. You can add as much doctor as you want. Write the name of the doctor. Select specialization and experience and fee of the doctor. You can add the services, extra services, if your clinic provide any extra services like CT scan and the fee for it, and services like blood test and fee for it, and click on continue. Here you have to enter the clinic registration number, clinic certificates, and the doctor credentials, doctor certificates, basically the medical license. After submitting the document, proceed with the continue button. Before submitting, review and confirm the details and click on submit registration. Before registering the clinic, read and agree to this terms and condition, privacy policy and cookie policy, and click on this button and register your clinic. And your registration will be submitted and it will be approved by us within 2 hours.